There's 2 bags of your product. You can see the little, actually pretty good sized particulates floating around in the top. We're going to try and reduce those. This is a 0.4 millimeter screen. 016 is the opening size. So I'm going to let it bleed out here. This is an angle disintegrator, but what we're recommending for this process is actually this little guy over here, the in-line machine. So with this machine, the product enters through here and discharges through there. It's a pump-through process, so it's all continuous, all sealed, all enclosed. I'm going to run this through a wet sieve and check the particle size. I also save 2 bags aside as a control. Original product, and I'm just going to hand sieve it through a 200 micron sieve and see what we end up with. This is called wet sieving.
And so this is the little bit of particulate that is left over
from 2 bags, which was, I don't know, maybe half a liter of material. And I'm going to run through the other half liter of material as a control in a minute here. Let's
tell me what we're doing here.
Okay, so this is a 0.5 millimeter screen, and that's a 1 millimeter screen. And this is the little fraction of material that we got through that's sitting on the 0.5 millimeter screen.
And as you can see, all of that product is going through that screen quite nicely.
Yeah, I don't know what that little agglomerate is there, but I think it's. I'll pull it out.
Piece of chunk from the sieve. It's not even your product.
It's not my. Yeah, it's a piece of barley.
It's a piece of barley.
So this is the percent of the product in 2 bags that was over 1 millimeter, and yeah, over 1 millimeter. Period. And this is the percentage of the product that was less than 1 millimeter, but over 1/2 millimeter. So before you saw the sample that we had sitting on this screen, it was maybe half a teaspoon, probably about this much here, sitting here, and that was through that was through the disintegrator that we had this much, but none on the 1 millimeter.